Hi there, this is Penelope, and this is another video on solving equations using logs. Now in this case, you've already got it as a log of something, so we need to undo, if you like, logging. So what we do is we raise the left-hand side to the power of 10. Oops, there's a 4 in there. Then we raise the right-hand side to the power of 10. Now, as we've discussed in class, the left-hand side simply becomes 4b squared and the right-hand side stays. Now, divide by 4 on both sides. And then here's where some of you are getting it wrong. B is plus or minus the square root of that number. So if you do both square roots, the negative square root and the positive square root, you'll be fine. It's just something we forget.